iforgotapplecom review. Is iForgot Apple legit or scam? iforgotapplecom review. Is iForgot Apple legit or scam? If you've ever forgotten your Apple ID or password, you might have been directed to iforgotapplecom. But is this site really official, or is it a phishing scam? Most people get this wrong by thinking any password recovery page might be fake. The surprising truth is that iforgotapplecom is the official Apple password recovery portal. It allows users to reset their Apple ID, recover accounts, and regain access to locked devices securely. You won't believe what happens next. While the website is legitimate, users need to be cautious of phishing emails claiming to be Apple and directing you to fake recovery sites. Always double-check the URL and ensure it starts with iforgotapplecom and displays the Apple lock icon in the browser. To use it safely, follow the instructions carefully, answer security questions correctly, and avoid clicking links from suspicious emails. Apple will never ask for sensitive information like credit card numbers during the recovery process. In conclusion, iforgotapplecom is 100% legitimate and is the official tool for recovering Apple accounts. Exercise caution with emails and links, but using this portal is safe for regaining access to your Apple ID or devices.